Hello, this is Troxel. In today's video, we're going to look at some basic information that we can find out from both the project and the events on the timeline. So, if we want to know the width and the height of the timeline, we can determine that. We can also look at the pixel aspect ratio for the timeline, and then for the clips or events on the timeline, we can also look to see the video height and width of that, whether or not it has video and whether or not it has audio. So let's get started. As you can see on the timeline here, I have one video track with an image on it and a video on it, and then we have one audio track with the audio on it. We're going to ignore the audio track and just look at the video track, and when we look at the video event, we will determine whether or not this video event is audio. So let's go through this and look at this line by line to see what we're getting, and then we're going to pop up a bunch of message boxes. So here, the first line, we're going to get the project video width, so we'll know how wide the project setting is. And then we are going to get the project video height. Thirdly, we're going to get the project video and the pixel aspect ratio. So let's show what all three of these are going to be. So we can just type in a message box dot show, and then we'll just put our three pieces of information here. Next, we're only going to look at the first track, which is the video track, so we're not going to worry about going through multiple tracks, but we are going to go through all of the events on that track. The first thing we want to do is get the media for the event that we are looking at. So the first time it'll be the picture, the second time it'll be the video, where we're going to get the active take media, and that will be a media variable. Then we're going to use that media and get the streams, and we're going to get the item by media type. So we want to look at the media type video, since we are looking at a video track, and then we want to get the active stream index, and that will get us the actual media stream that we are looking at. Next, we need to convert that media stream into a video stream, because we are looking at a video track. If we were looking at the audio track, then this would be audio stream, we would change this to audio stream, and we would change this to audio stream. Now from that stream, we can get the integer value of the height of the stream, the integer value of the width of the stream, and we can get the pixel aspect ratio of that stream. Finally, let's go down and look at the base event on the timeline, and that will tell us whether or not it is a video event or it is an audio event. So in both of our cases, both of these should say true, and both of these should say false, because neither one of the events we're looking at is an audio event. But let's go ahead and also check to see if it has video or if it has audio. To do that, we look at the actual media itself, and we can use the has video and has audio options. So let's add a couple more message boxes down here. Then we're going to add another box here. And then one more box down here. That's about.show. And in this case, let's just copy this up here to make it quicker. And that should be lowercase. And that one should be lowercase. And now let's compile this. Now we can open up our project, run our script, We need to go to the correct folder, and this is going to be our test script, bin release test script. And we will see that we got a first box says our width is 1920, our height is 1080, and our par is 1. So we can see right here on the preview screen that it is 1920 by 1080. Then for this image, the width of the image is 4032, the height of the image is 3024, and its par is also 1. It is a video clip. It is not an audio clip. It has video and it does not have audio. So now let's look at the next clip. It says it is 1920 by 1080 and its par is 1. It is a video clip. It is not an audio clip. It does have video and it does have audio. These are some basic routines that you might want to save so that you can load them anytime you need them. The basic information here is very useful in many cases, so save this information and you'll be able to use them over and over again. Please sign up at www.jettv.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.